Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up Gmail on a quicker way. So first let's open Gmail. And then as you can see in here on my inbox, I have 1,854 and most of them are unread. So in order for us to delete those, instead of, clicking one by one and then deleting all of these emails or unnecessary emails in here, what you can do is, for example, we have in here this email. So just right click the email and then click find emails from that specific sender. And then it will show up all of the emails from that specific sender. So on the upper left part of the screen, you'll see a tick box. So just click that. And then you'll have an option to delete all of these conversations. And that way, you would be able to delete your unnecessary emails in a quicker way. And that's how to clean up Gmail on a quicker way. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.